Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find who you follow on Amazon. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Amazon, click this option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you, on Amazon, there isn't a direct feature to follow other users in the way you might on social media platforms. However, you can follow certain entities or types of accounts for updates related to their products or services, all right? Now, you might want to, for example, when you make a purchase from a seller on Amazon, so let's search something here, maybe like, I don't know, Jordans. Now, the seller is, click on this specific product. Now, it is sold by 401 Hype LLC. Click on this profile, all right? And for you to be able to follow that, you just want to have a question to 401 on how you can follow them, all right? Or just frequently visit the 401 Hype LLC storefront. That's one way. Now, similarly, when you go, for example, to Nike or Jordans, you might want to follow the certain brands of Jordans, all right? And this allows you to stay updated on their new releases, special offers, and more. Now, for you to be able to at least like find the sellers or brands that you're following, I need you to hover to your upper right corner, click on your account. You can also do this on your mobile device on the Amazon app. Now hover down to where it says ordering and shopping preferences, and under one-click settings or above one-click settings, I need you to click on your Amazon profile. Now here you would be able to see all the interactions and activities that you have done following certain sellers and brands here on your profile. All right, you can review some interactions here. Otherwise, if you're not convinced on how to find who you follow, just click on the customer service on the upper left corner. And of course, you might want to ask the Amazon customer service for insights and maybe troubleshooting guides on how to find who you follow here on your account. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.